3D printer. In 3D printer, it is the info screen. We have multiple options in it. First, we have the signals. We can connect it with mobile and we can give it a product. Then we have the model of this 3D printer. The model of the 3D printer is Tina A2 Plus. And it's the knob. In the knob in the center, we have the button. We can change the things from the top and the button. Then we have the speed of the 3D printer. We can change the speed of the 3D printer from 100 to 999%. The info screen to another screen. Change the filament. Filament is the wire. It's the filament. We have multiple filaments in it. We have PLA. We have PTEC. We can change Celsius. PLA Celsius it starts from 180 to 222. We can change the filament from it when we select this option from ground. Then we change the filament option. Change the filament. The best option is when we make a small piece of a human or a small decoration. So in the lower body, we can change the filament to white color. Then when we want to change the clothes color, so we can change the filament again and it will become the red color. And we can also then again change the upper body white color. Then we have ahead of this 3D printer is x-axis. X-axis means horizontal line, and the pen of this 3D printer is y-axis. It is vertical in shape. Print from here. In print from here, we can in the memory card we have saved some model, and when we give it an order, it is making, now you can see it is making a model for us. Temperature of PLA and filament. PLA filament temperature is from 180 to 222. 3D printer made a model for us from PLA filament. It goes like thing.